Hello, my name's Alex from the Advent Label Applicator Company, and this is going to be a demonstration of an Advent 310, the unique Advent 310, which is a push-through labeler, and we have the optional hot stamp coder on that, which is imprinting a single line. It could print up to 3 lines, but what we're doing here is we have it set up to print right on the edge, just to show you the accuracy of it, and also we have it a little bit low so you can actually see it. Rest assured that you would get the complete mark on your label. So certainly we just wanted to show you that we could print it inside this green area within 1/8 of an inch each and every time. So we were just trying to show the same area. So let me turn on the machine. Peter's going to catch the containers as they roll off, but generally that's how the 310 works. You insert a container, and then you just push it through, and then it rolls out into a box, a conveyor line. You design how you want the containers to be handled. And of course, if you don't want to push it through, you can just go ahead and grab it and then insert it. So you could go directly from the labeler into a box if you have to. So you have that flexibility. As you can see there, we just put 3 labels on there, all within 1/16 of an inch, and they look fantastic. And there's the imprint too that you can see. We're using a 2mm type, which is very common. It gives you usually the most flexibility as far as placement. There's also an available 3mm type too. And as far as adjusting your the coder, it's very simple. Let me just move these out of the way. The coder is located here. It's on a bracket. To adjust the placement on the label, you can move the coder up and down, and then you can also move it sideways. It uses a 500-foot ribbon. You'll get about 42,000 marks per ribbon. Each ribbon's about $10, $12, right around there, and that's for a single line. And of course, if you don't want to use it, you can simply turn it off and still use the machine. What's really nice about this package is that we're not using compressed air. A lot of coders require compressed air. We're just using the same 110 volt supply as the machine. So everything's in a nice, convenient, compact package. The labels are supplied from the bottom. They're threaded through the labeler. This is the rollout plate. You can see the labels simply go through the machine and down to a powered rewind, which pulls up the waste material. And don't want to make the video too long, so what we're simply going to do is just show you one of the adjustments of the machine. We're going to use the same roll of labels, and we can actually run this same this label on these small diameter containers. So first thing I'm going to do is adjust for the diameter. It's a simple cradle knob. You can adjust anywhere from about 1 inch to about 12 inches in diameter. We just want it hovering over the peel bar. Peel bar is where the labels is separated from the backing paper. And then we're just going to position it. And one of the standout features of the 3 or any of the Advent machines are these rollers are fully positionable. So we could clear these high points, which is the key of allowing these type of containers to run labels without bubbles or wrinkles, because it's completely flat where the label is being applied. I'm going to move my guides in. Just simple thumb locks. They're fully adjustable. You always want to give yourself a little bit of play so the container can roll out. And then our final adjustment is the overhead pressure arm. Use the included Allen wrench tool. Drop it down. Put it in the center line. A little bit of a gap on the stop. And that ensures that the full weight of the arm is on the container so it doesn't slip or jump. And it doesn't fall down. So it's just inserting. The label will go on, and then you eject it. All right, so we're going to turn it on. You're going to catch these. You can see insert. Label looks well placed. You can see the overlap is within a 1/16 of an inch, which is fantastic on these type of containers. And let's push that out. And then I'm just going to label up these other containers. You can see it's a single label each and every time. The machine's capable of running with any type of label stock, butt cut or die cut. It's also, just labeled the product. And then I'll label these last 4 without pushing them through. You can see I can take it out. You should be able to average anywhere from about 25 to 30 containers a minute. The push-through allows you to really fly. And that's our final container. Pull these out so you can inspect them. And you can see, even with the caps not on perfectly, it does a really fantastic job each and every time. We're covering up the code because it's overlapping the label more than probably wrapping it around twice. You can see that's dead on, and it looks fantastic. And you can see the changeover was really quick. Takes a couple minutes. Very straightforward. And again, any type of label stock, if you're running a clear label, doesn't matter with our machine. There's no photo eye to worry about, so there's a lot of flexibility. So that's the Advent 310 with the optional hot stamp coder. And if there's any questions, we can reach at 800-846-7716. Thank you.